How to find your Binance wallet address. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to log in into the Binance website right here, and once inside you want to click on the wallet button. From here, go ahead and click on overview. Now once inside, you can just go ahead and click on deposit right here. After clicking on deposit, you want to click on deposit crypto. From here, you want to search up the coin that you want to deposit. In my case, I'll just go ahead and deposit Bitcoin in my Binance account. Select your network. I'll go ahead and select the BTC right here, and right after click on get address. Go ahead and click on copy, and you will be able to get your Binance wallet address for this specific coin right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.